Hello, hello. This is the tutorial for the cute little LOL nameplate necklace. Everyone was asking me, requesting for me to do a tutorial on how I did it. So I'm going to jump into it real quick and explain to you how I did everything. So I already made a video on how I did the shadow for the shadow for the image. So now I'm going to show you how to put everything together. Also, there is a video I did on how to do the font and the font shadow. So what you're going to do is you're going to upload your shadow and your image. Design Space is going slow today. Okay, so we're going to upload our shadow and our image. I don't know why it's taking so long. Okay, so we have our image and then we have our shadow. Let's make this a little smaller. And then right now we're just going to size everything so we can get it the right size once we figure everything out. Okay, so just figure out how big of a shadow you want for the background and then just position your little doll like that. Okay, so next we're going to do, let's move this out of the way. Next we're going to do the shadow from the font and the name. So I'm going to use this one again since this is the one that I made the video about. I don't know why my Design Space is going so slow, but it is for whatever reason. Let's just hide this out of the way. Okay, so let's just make this pink. Okay, so we're going to get it sized on here. Like that. That looks like it's straight to me. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to make it a little smaller because we're going to weld. Let's see. We're going to want to weld it on here. Okay, so we're going to move this to the side and then we're going to hit weld. And then I'm going to do the hole for the actual necklace to go through so it can be worn. So I'm going to make a circle and then I'm going to make another circle. So I'm going to duplicate that and then we're going to size this down. We're going to center it, hit align, hit center, and then we're going to highlight both layers and we're going to slice. Remove the unnecessary pieces and then we're going to size it down. Put it here on top of the necklace or on top of the little shadow, and then we're going to hit weld. Okay, so now we're going to unhide our image. Send this to the front. Let's get her lined up how we did earlier. And then this is going to go on top. Let's see, center front. This is going to go on top. And then it'll go in there just like that. Now, so once all that's done, once you designed everything, we're going to make our layers. So we only need one layer of this. This is we're going to print this out on sticker paper or shipping label paper, or you can print it out on cardstock if you want to, and glue it on top of the other pieces. Because all we're doing is just layering the cardstock, so it makes the nameplate look a little thicker. So this is going to be a print and cut, and then over here, what you're going to want to do is, I used 5, so we're going to duplicate 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll cut out 5 of those, and then I'll just layer them on top of one another, so it'll look, you know, it'll give it a thicker 3D type of look once you cut it, once you layer them. Okay. And then for the shadow, I did, how many did I do? I think I might have done, let me check because I got the doll sitting right here. Okay, so I did about 1, 2, 3. I did about 4 of them, I believe. 1, 2, 3, or maybe I did 5. So we're going to duplicate 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the 5th one, this is optional, you don't have to do this, but I did it because the back of my nameplate is also glittery. It shows the glitter on the back of it, so it's not black or anything like that, or white. So I'll flip this so that way I can have the gold glitter or whatever color glitter you want to use for the back piece. And then I'll just cut everything out. I use Mod Podge to glue everything together. I'm trying to make sure I'm not leaving out anything because this is really, really easy, I promise. Also, if you want to, these right here, the actual name that you want to put on your nameplate, at the end, I use my holographic vinyl to give it like a shiny look. But you don't have to. You can use your glitter cardstock, or you can just use regular cardstock, whatever you prefer. But I thought that the holographic vinyl, permanent vinyl, looked really, really pretty on top once I got finished. Let's see if I'm missing anything. I don't think that I'm missing anything. Okay, so let's see, let's hide this, and then we'll get this one. So yeah, you can do whatever colors you prefer, honestly. I use gold, my gold glitter cardstock for this project. I thought it was really cute with the doll, so that's what I chose to do. And then you just on center front, and then it'll give it like an effect like this almost. So then once you're done with your actual layering, Mod Podge and everything together, I put epoxy on mine to seal everything and to give it like that shiny look, but that's totally up to you. You don't have to use it. You can just spray it down with a sealant or of choice. But I used, or am going to use, epoxy to seal it on top. Let me know if I left out anything in this video, or if you're confused or didn't understand anything, because I definitely will try to help you the best way that I can. But this is pretty simple. It's not hard It's really not hard at all. I promise you. It's really easy, and they're really cute and cool and fun to make. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions, if you need more help or whatever. I'll try to make a video of me assembling one, but I'm not 100% sure I'm gonna do it or not, but I might do one. But this is pretty much self-explanatory, this video. I think I covered pretty much everything. But let me know what you think. I have that other video. I have 2 other videos showing how I did the shadow for the image and the shadow for the actual font. I'll post those as well. Okay, thank you for watching.